I am going to show you how to create motivational shorts on CapCut fast and using stock files. Once you've opened CapCut, click on the Create Project button. Now, if you are new to CapCut, just watch what I do. I am going to pick some trending music. This one is perfect for motivational shorts. Now let's look for some stock video we could use for this. Now, what could we choose from here for a motivational video? I see potentially few good examples, but let's check more. Let's grab one and the other. Choose these two. Let's change the ratio for shorts and stretch the video so it covers the whole area. Now let's find when is the beat drop and mark the place by chopping the music. Let's cut the end because we don't need anything after this. Let's stretch the other video as well and add some transition effect for the reveal. Now let's add the texts. One for the hook and one for the message. Use ChatGPT, Copiloto, our other AI tools for hooks, titles, scripts, and descriptions. Try to make them readable, something bright, by picking the right font, size, and placement. There are many tools to change the style, shadows, and more. Hook usually goes on top. Also, you can turn on the preview mode, so you would not place the text under like and channel buttons. Now, my motivational message is going to be, you will never be ready. Just start now. So let's just make the message fit for the beat to create greater impact for the viewer. Little fixing here and there. Now exporting, and let's see, the video? What do you guys think? Fast, simple, and free. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.